Hey guys, NASCAR Racing 57 here. And here we have a NASCAR Authentic from the 2023 Wave 5. We have Todd Gilland's Gener8tor 8 Next Gen car. On the back, you can get other cars from Wave 5 like Eric Jones's Guns N' Roses car, Kyle Larson's 2023 HendrickCars.com car, Ty Gibbs's 54 car. I'm sorry about the quality on this video. And also Jimmy Johnson's number 48 Carvana car. Let's get Todd Gilland out of the box. So first, here we have the sticker, 38 Gener8tor skills, Todd Gilland's logo, and of course his name. What's interesting though about the logo here is that not only there's a lightning bolt next to the G, but also where there's an A is now an 8 instead of an A. So here we have Todd Gilland's Gener8tor 8 Next Gen car. So let's take a good look at the car. So on the hood, you got the G from the Gener8tor logo, from the Gener8tor name. And you got the skills on the bottom of the G in small number fonts. With the G, you have just a simple G with a little bit off as the lightning bolt replaces a little bit of it. The hood is a black with a red outline of the 38. And there have been other variants of the Gener8tor 8 car during the 2023 season where it's just completely red, or it's this paint scheme, or there's a red 38 on the front, on the top. On the side, you just got a red with the white 38 with the black outline. Obviously, you got some little bit of white lines going through it. The Gener8tor skills logo. You also got other sponsors on the side of the car. I think a little bit of messed up paint. I know I'm trying to bring it closer, but geez, I think the light quality. Oh, I'm using a new stand, and that's why. Overall, nice car. On the back, you got Gener8tor. Yeah, that's why it has the 8 there. It sounds a lot like that. And I think that'll conclude today's video. Well, guys, thanks for watching this episode, and more episodes will come out soon. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.